Hello, welcome back to KnowledgeWella. Everyone who speaks English must know one thing. English is not hard. It just needs practice, patience, and daily speaking. Every English speaker must use polite language. Use, "Could you please repeat?" instead of "What?" Small change, big impact. Speak short and clear sentences. Say, "I will do it," not, "I will be doing it in a while." Simple English is powerful English. Every English speaker should know these 5 golden words: actually, probably, exactly, honestly, usually. These words make you sound natural. Good English is about asking good questions. Try these. What do you mean? How does this work? Can you guide me? To speak better, listen better. Good speakers are good listeners first. Listen to tones. Listen to rhythm. Listen to words. Everyone must learn how to express feelings. Say, "I'm excited. I feel proud. I'm confused." This makes your English human. Don't say, "He don't." Say, "He doesn't." Don't say, "I am go." Say, "I am going." Small mistakes, big changes. Every English speaker must have confidence. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak without fear. Everyone needs these English skills. Repeat them daily, and your English will shine. For more daily English learning, stay connected. Speak with me, learn with me, improve every day. Daily English habits every speaker must practice. Every English speaker needs daily habits. Small steps every day create big fluency. Start with 5 simple sentences every morning. Say, "I am ready." "I will try my best today." "I can learn something new." Daily repetition builds natural English. You don't need long books. Read just 2 lines a day. A story, a message, a small paragraph. Your vocabulary grows quietly. Fluent speakers listen more than they talk. Listen to tone, rhythm, and natural pauses. This is the secret behind smart English. Hear a line? Repeat it. Copy it. Practice like echo learning. It trains your tongue and confidence. Good English speakers talk to themselves. Ask, "What am I doing now? Where am I going? How can I explain this?" Thinking in English is a habit. Take one word each day. Use it in your sentence. Example, grateful. "I am grateful for today." This builds powerful vocabulary. Don't fix everything at once. Only fix one mistake each day. Today, "He doesn't." Tomorrow, "I am going." Small corrections, big improvements. English is not a race. Slow English is good English. Slow means clear. Clear means confident. Everyone who follows these habits becomes better every week. Practice a little today. Your future English will thank you. For more daily English lessons, stay connected. Let's grow your English one day at a time. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for episode 3 on KnowledgeWella.